Now we will do exercise 8.2. There are first 8 sums in your syllabus of exercise 8.2. So we will do now exercise 8.2. Our first sum is we have to find the value of, I am doing the third part of the first sum. We have to find the value of 0.4% of 20 kilometer. 0.4% of 20 kilometer. So we can write 0.4%. We can write 0.4% as 0.4 upon 100. Of means multiply 20 kilometer. Here we see that there is decimal. So to remove the decimal, we want to shift its position towards right to one decimal place. So we can multiply above numerator with 10 to make it 4. If we have multiplied the numerator with 10, so to balance the numerator and denominator, we have also to multiply denominator with 10 into 20 kilometer. So we can write here 4 upon 1000 into 20 kilometer. So we will solve this now to find the answer. We will cancel the 0 with 0. Now further cutting is possible, but I am not doing the cutting because it is easier to divide any number with a multiple of 10. Means we can easily divide any number with 10, like 5 upon 10 is 0.5, 5 upon 100 is 0.05, 5 upon 1000 is 0.005. So it is easy if we divide the numbers with the denominators. If there is denominator 10, 100, 1000, so it is easy for us to divide. So to reduce the time, we would not solve it further. If we solve it further, then we have to divide it further. So we will simply write it as 4 into 2 is 8 upon 100. So we will simply write it as 0.08 kilometer, and that's the answer. Now we will do the second sum. In the second sum, we have to find the number whose 25% is 16. I am doing the first part of the second sum. 25% of 16. Sorry, we have to find the number whose 25% is 16. 25% is 16. So we have to find the number. Let us assume that the number is x, then we will solve it. Let the number be x. So we are assuming that 25% of x is 16. So we can write it as, according to question, we can write 25% of x is equal to 16. So here we can write 25% of x is 16 because they are given that 25% of a number is 16. So here we can solve it for the value of x. 25 upon 100 into x is equal to 16. So here we have to solve this equation for the value of x. X is equal to 60. We would take the reciprocal of this term when we shift its position from equal to sign. And then after cutting and solving, you will get the answer. 16 fours are is 64. So our answer is 64. Means the number whose 25% is 16 is 64. Now we will do the seventh sum. You can note down the sum. in the seventh sum, this is a statemental sum, problem sum. You have to understand the statement very carefully first and then solve the sum. It is given that Sohan deposits rupees 1800 per month in his saving bank account. So the savings of Sohan is 1800 rupees, and if it is 20% of the monthly income, so what he is saving is the 20% of his monthly income. So we have to find what is his monthly income. Solution of seventh sum. Let his monthly income be X rupees. We will assume let the monthly income of Sohan is rupees X. Now we will have to find what is his monthly income. So we assume that his monthly income is rupees X. What we have to find? We will assume it is X. Now what is given else? It is given that his savings are rupees 1800. So we are given his savings rupees 1800, and this rupees 1800 is 20% of his income. So according to question, we can write 20% of his income. His income we have assumed X. So 20% of his income equals to 1800. To solve the problem sums, try to make an equation. When you will make an equation, you will find the answer by solving the value of X. So here we can write 20 upon 100 of means multiply into X is equal to 1800. So we have to solve this equation for the value of X. Here we will write X on the left hand side of the equation because we have to find the value of X. We will shift the position of this one term, numerical term, we have to shift it to the right side of the equation. We can take the reciprocal. When we shift the position of numerical term, we take the reciprocal. After solving, you will get the answer. Cancelling 0 with 0, here 2 and 900. So our answer is 9000 rupees. So students, in the similar manner you can do the sums. So our answer is rupees 9000. You will have to complete your exercise 8.2 till 8th sum because only 8 sums are there in your syllabus. Thank you.